What's going on, guys? How y'all doing today? Wanted to do a quick video showing you the truck. I don't know if y'all remember, but I don't think I ever posted it. If I haven't posted it, I'm gonna show a little video series real quick so you can see how we got this truck and how far it's came along, because to me it looks really good. Alright, so here we go. Let me show you guys. Get ready. Here we are. I'm enjoying my ice cream cone. Especially in this Texas heat. My boy's adding some oil. We just got this whip right now. It's a 2006 GMC Sierra. Alright. Sorry about that. I was just showing the folks here what we got. Let me show you right now. That's for when Jesus takes the wheel. It's a little dirty. Got the front bumper. Some tools. Let's put some gas in here. Some tires. The rear bumper is kind of messed up, but we picked this up for a little bit, so can't complain. We got to do some work to it, and then show you guys what she's going to look like. Wave, buddy, wave. All right. Just pulled up to the lot right here. What's up, buddy? Everything's good?
Yeah, like you did 170,000 miles.
Today we're taking a drive in the project GMC Sierra. It's me and my boy. What's up, man?
Hey, what's up?
We're on our way to go get the AC checked out and purchase a bumper. Try to put a front bumper on it and a GMC logo, and, you know, make her look a little bit pretty. So, yeah. Stay tuned and check it out. We are dropping off this puppy right here to try and get this front end fixed up, because, you know, she needs a little bit of love. And we're over here at our boy Alejandro's shop. He's gonna hook us up today and take care of this sucker for us. So there we go. So here we are. Our Uber has arrived. We just dropped off our truck, me and my boy. We're heading back to the shop to pick up our Acura. Shout out to Uber, you know.
You're gonna see the before and after.
Oh yeah,
the truck.
You're gonna see the trucks before and after. Your boy getting a call. Ooh, sorry Christian, we just closed the deal with another body guy. Call you later, buddy. Anyways, yep, so here we are. We're on our way back to the shop. I'm excited. What's going on, guys? We just picking up our truck today. I'm about to show it to you, but there's some people right now in front of here. Hold on. There she is. Give you that quick, give you that first look, you know what I'm saying? Nice truck. You ready? Let's go. Yep. Oh God, let me show you guys. Get ready. Boom. Look at that. 2006 GMC Sierra. It's a nice deal. Went and got it. Also got a new set of wheels. I'm thinking about maybe taking the wheels off the Tahoe, probably putting the stock ones on, you know. But look at that, guys. Holy crap, she's good. So yeah, 2006 GMC Sierra. If y'all see the way we got it before versus the way it is now, holy cow. This is good now. Okay, let's take a look inside real quick. Now, we haven't washed it or anything like that, so if it's dirty, I'm sorry. We working on the center console. We got the screws for it, trying to fix it up. But check it out. It looks really good. Open the back right here, very clean. I mean, it needs the little vacuum and stuff, but other than that, it's almost ready to sell. We're also working on trying to get that mirror in, but that's not a big deal for now. So let's close it up. Did our best we could. Now this was a budget fix. You know, we tried our best with what we had, so we met a guy that does really good work and he hooked us up. And I gotta say, I'm very grateful and I'm very proud of this product. It came out real good. It looks really nice. So yeah, if you haven't seen it already, I'm gonna show you what it used to look like before, or if you haven't, like I say, if you haven't seen it already, this truck came a long way and now it's ready to sell. So once again, shit, thank you for watching, thank you for sticking around. We're gonna take some pictures of it so we can post it online real quick for sale. Have a good one.